Hello everyone, you are watching another episode of Military Tek. The ZALA Lancet, also known as Lancet, is a kamikaze drone developed by ZALA. ZALA Lancet is an intelligent multipurpose weapon capable of independently detecting and eliminating a target on its own. It features a TV channel to broadcast real-time images and confirm the success of the hit. A new drone developed by Kalashnikov Group can autonomously locate and destroy hostile targets at sea, on land, and in the air. The sleek ZALA Lancet drone is able to conduct precision strikes within a 40 km radius without the need for any additional ground or sea-based infrastructure to locate and engage its targets. The drone's own navigation, reconnaissance, and communication modules along with a 3 kg payload allow it to do so. Unlike earlier models, the new UAV, which has a takeoff weight of just 12 kg, sends a continuous video of its target engagement to confirm the completion of its mission. Although it costs disproportionately less, this system is superior to standard types of weapons. Lancet is the second high-precision attack drone presented this year by ZALA Aero, a subsidiary of the Kalashnikov Group. Despite sharing few technical details, the company stressed that the weapon system has already been tested. The ZALA drone has been used successfully in combat in Syria. We end here today, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on awesome videos. Thank you for watching.